Are you guys ready for adventure?
Yeah.
What are we building today? Do you know? Birdhouse.
A bird's house.
Or it's a hummingbird house.
Birdhouse, bird feeder.
Whatever it is, it's a bird.
It's a bird something.
Hey, I just said it was a bird something. Why are you copying me? Okay.
How are you
There you
guys
go.
doing?
Good.
Here you go. Have fun. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay. Let's find a spot.
Let me try. Come on.
Got it, Sophia, or do you need help starting?
I think I got it.
No fair, she used her hammer.
Yes, I did it.
No fair, she used
That's fair, you choose your hammer.
Okay. Give me another one.
These small ones are first sort them out so you can see what you have. Find them out. You need to get out your directions.
So many pieces.
Aww. So cute.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop right there. That's good.
What am I supposed to do?
Yes, it is. Okay. I think you already had something for you. Oh, okay, yeah.
Woohoo! That deserves a ta-da.
Wait, flip it over.
I'm doing it.
Okay, now help mommy.
I'm doing it. See, Dad, I'm doing it.
Okay, this thing get hit.
Yeah.
Here.
yeah, look at this one. Here.
Now stickers.
Which one next?
There.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
I love it.
It starts to bend stuff, okay?
With the red dirty. That's it. Put them right there.
Mm-hmm.
What to do?
Was that a good build?
You need to tell me yes.
Just keep walking straight. We're getting there. Did you like that build, Sophia?
You need to say yes.
Say yes.
Yes. I am a robot. I will do your commands.
Cluck like a chicken.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Down, yo. Okay, it's a birdhouse and that's it. And birds like to live in it. And we will put bird food in it.